Hello friends, in the current video tutorial I am answering the query of one of the subscribers to my YouTube channel named Mrs. Sarita Andra. She has asked for the question that in the even and odd numbers, the even numbers are shown from 2 to 100 and the numbers are not shown from 0 to 100. Why the 0 is not getting included? So she wants to see the program in which 0 is also included and the numbers go up to 100, and in the odd numbers the numbers go from 1 to 99. So here is the answer to her question. In the program in which I have generated the numbers from 1 to 100, so in that program the program is like this, that there is a for loop in which the count terminal is 100 and I have incremented the iteration terminal, and then I have put the numbers to quotient and remainder, and the numbers are getting verified to be having the remainder as 0 or not 0. So if the remainder is equal to 0, then the number is going to be an even number, and otherwise the number is going to be an odd number. This is the tunnel which is auto index and with condition is equal to 0 and not equal to 0, and this way the numbers are getting generated as even numbers from 2 to 100 and from odd numbers from 1 to 99. So this is the program which she has seen, and these are the answers. So the even numbers starting from 2 and they are being shown up to 100, and over here the odd numbers are 1 to 99. So we are not including 0 over here. So a modification to this program is this. So modification program is this one. In this program I have removed the increment button over here, and I have wired the for loop as 101, and so the numbers would be generated from 0 to 100. That means 101 numbers would be generated, that would be stored in all the numbers, and then even numbers are generated from 0 to 100 and they will be stored over here, and the odd numbers are generated from 1 to 99 which are stored over here. So let me quickly run this program and show you the results. So when I run this program, so you can see all the numbers are from 0, starting from 0, and they are going up to 100, and over here even numbers starting from 0 and they are going up to 100. So that is what was required by Sarita, and odd numbers are starting from 1 and going up to 99. So just a small change in the previous program, 101 over here and no increment over here. So that will result into the number starting from 0 to 100, all the even numbers, and odd numbers 1 to 99. I hope I have answered the question of Sarita, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video.